Okay, the diagram shows two similar shapes. Okay, they are calculate x and y. Okay, so looking at this then we can see the pairs of lines which go together. So these two lines go together here. Okay, these two lines go together and these two lines go together. Right, I'm going to label this as A and I'm going to label this shape as B. And the first thing I'm going to do is find the scale factor from A to B. Okay, so to find the scale factor from A to B, so we know that from A to B is times by B over A. From A to B is B over A. So using this pair, because we know both values, we're going to do 4.2 to 3.36. So from A to B is B over A. So from 4.2 to 3.36 is 3.36 over 4.2. Okay, so dividing those then, 3.36 dividing 4.2 is going to give us 0.8. So it's times by 0.8. So we know now that the scale factor from A to B is times by 0.8. So if we're going across that way, we need to multiply by 0.8. Okay, now we've done that then, we can find side x. So we're going to times 3.5 by our scale factor, 0.8 to find side x. So side x equals 3.5 times 0.8. 3.5 times 0.8, and that's going to be 2.8 centimetres. Okay, and I'm happy with that because it's smaller and it should be smaller looking at the values. Now I'm going to find side y. Okay, for side y we actually need to go the opposite direction. So we're going from shape B to shape A, we need to go this way. Right, so when we went from A to B, we times by 0.8. So if we're going to go the opposite direction, we're going to do the opposite thing. So instead of timesing by 0.8, we're going to divide by 0.8. So we're going to do 3.36 divided by 0.8 this time. So 3.36 divided by 0.8 gives us, have I gone wrong? Yes, sorry. It should be, it's this side, isn't it? It's 3.04 divided by 0.8. So that's going to give me 3.8 centimetres. So our final answers are x equals 2.8 centimetres and y equals 3.8 centimetres.